everybody. Hope you can hear me. I think I got my sound set up okay. So as it's a nice day, there's a bit of a car broken down. And we're going to head down to Inkie's Smokehouse. I thought would bring you along, so I'm going to be just chatting randomly, thinking out loud. We're going to see how long the GoPro will last for. I've got it plugged in, but I don't know if it's going to charge up properly. We're just going to be heading onto the dual carriageway. A bit breezy. Just gonna raise the visor a little bit. Hopefully the weather will be good for us. Few clouds out and about. No, there's no rain forecast at the moment, so hopefully it'll be good. this motorhome in front. It's nice, towing a nice car. It's an auto cruise. Star Dream. Oh, nice. Going to stay out here a little bit to see there's loads of cars always coming out. It's always quite busy, this junction here, so I always prefer just to stay out. Kind of cruising along about 65 miles an hour. So yeah, we've not been down to this Inkie Smokehouse before, so this should be quite nice. It's open till about 4 PM, so I think we're good for a good few hours. Yeah, I think the ride is roughly 40 minutes, so what I'll do is I'll probably start and stop the video kind of as we're going further, because this kind of it's just, this road is not particularly interesting. This is the main Tamar Bridge crossing over to Cornwall. As we pass over, you might be able just to see the Brunel Bridge on the left as well. I think it needs a bit of a paint. I think they tend to paint it quite often. A bit breezy up here. Into the tunnel. down there in front. Heading through Tydeford, it's Riverside Garage on the left, and there's a Rod and Lion pub, which is a turning on the right just up here. It's a lovely little pub, and they do lovely fresh crab and lobster. It's literally just where this car's going now. Just be careful when you're turning, but it is a lovely little pub. Great food, and you've got a nice bit of outdoor space as well. Possibly, I see a lot of clouds around, and there's ever such a slight chance of a slight shower. We'll see. But I'm not too worried. I've got my kind of bike jeans on, and which are a bit more windproof than normal jeans, you know, so that's good. But the nice thing about the Spyder is that, you know, you've got so much protection that you don't really feel it, because the wind that's created by all the fairings just creates this like bubble around the riders, so you kind of, as long as you go in a reasonable speed. Oh, there's some blue lights up ahead. What's that? So you just parked up. Just going to slow it down a bit. Somebody may be broken down. And then we're going to head off to the right shortly. Getting darker, isn't it? It's just like, oh god, I could just see it in the distance. That doesn't look good. That looks torrential. Oh crap. I'm not sure which way the wind's blowing at the moment, whether we're going to head straight into that, or should we just stop for a minute and let it pass? I don't know. Oh, what could go wrong? I can already start to feel it. Yeah, it's starting to. Oh dear, this doesn't look good. Rain at all. This looks quite heavy. Okay. Maybe, hopefully, just a heavy shower. I don't know. This is like Oh, the bike's getting wet. Oh god, it's gonna be dirty now. It's not good. I guess there was always a risk. I think we may pop out the other side and it may be sunny again, hopefully. It's quite warm. I haven't got my gloves on today, so I totally forgot them. I think they may be in the bag, so it might not be so bad. I can dig them out later. Looks like a pretty bad shower. A bit more than the shower really, but and it looks pretty clear on the other side. Oh, look at that. It is cleared. It's one of those times you really think, oh, I really should have worn my waterproof bottoms. It's been a while since I've been on this old road. It's saying go to the right, so I'm going to just do that. luxury lodges for sale in there. That looks nice. I wonder how much they go for. Fun you have when you follow the sat nav, it takes you on all sorts of crazy roads. But the nice thing with the Spyder is quite small, obviously, so these roads are not a problem, and it's just a bit more interesting than the long boring straight roads. I do tend to go slowly on these roads, just we've had it before where we've gone along and there's been sheep wandering in the road because they've managed to get out of a field, or a tractor is kind of coming out, that sort of thing. Potentially there's always that risk. But it's also just nice just to take your time and just enjoy the surroundings of the area. And turn coming up soon. This one unsuitable for heavy goods. Huh? I won't want to bring the camper van down here. Apparently it's here, we are here. Yeah, it's just here, hun. So over this little bridge. That's a nice little river. We're gonna take you for. I'll take you for a little wander around the site in a minute, guys, when we stop off, and then it is busy, isn't it? No parking overnight, that's fine. Now, I think, let's see where we can park. Where's that, hun? Hold on, let me just have a look. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? A bit wet. Yeah. What about just here on the left? It's off the road, isn't it? Just alright. That was a nice little ride. A little bit wet, but I wanted to show you. So this is Inkie. So this is like it's like a little barbecue. I'll take you in just a sec, but I just wanted to take a little wander just down this road because I just saw a nice little river. So this is Inkie Smokehouse. We've not been down here before, and it would be rude not to come down and try, wouldn't it? Looks really lovely. We've just managed to park off the road a bit, and I just thought I'd bring you down here. If you've got dogs or whatever, it could be quite nice for a nice little dog walk. So this is Golithia Falls. I don't know if I said that correctly, but there's a nice little walk down to the river. Look at that, a dog would love this. Obviously I'd love to bring Sam, but he's a bit big to get on the bike, you know. It's like, look at that. It's a bit raging because when I say raging, it's because we've had quite a lot of rain. And this nice little bridge just there. Lovely colours. I don't know if you can see the colours on the video screen. It looks really lovely. And you can head off in that direction. Just discovered a nice little walk. We can bring Sam. How lovely is that? So we're going to go in, and I'm going to order ourselves a beer, maybe a coffee, and check out the menu. Try and cross without getting. So yeah, Inkie Smokehouse. How splendid. Right, I'll be with you shortly. So this looks nice. Have a look around. Look at that. So what have we got? We've got smoked meats. We've got pig, cow, woodstack. Wow. In a wrap. We've got a whole rack of ribs. We've got the combos. Smoked platters. This is lovely. Do you know what? It's like, it's not as good as the States, I could imagine. For you guys in the States or Canada, I would love to go to Tootsie's. You know, I watch Tootsie's, Tootsie's Grill, where they do. She's like the pit master and all that, and it's wonderful. So I think we're gonna.
Lucky for Sam.
Oh, we got 13. We've got number 13. I'm just looking at this menu. That looks absolutely mental.
Oh, it sounds amazing. What people have been ordering.
I think it could take me some time just to kind of figure out. I probably should have something. We did have bacon and eggs before we came out, but you know, who cares? Isn't this really lovely? Isn't it? Splendid place, isn't it? Milkshake, proper job, some brisket, some chicken wings, some slaw, some hog, and some beans. That is just absolutely wonderful. Well, that was absolutely lovely. Inkies were just sat waiting to go. I'm not sure the bike will go because we're too fat and full. I'm going to see if we might get a bit of rain. We're going to head over to the Jamaica Inn as it's on the way back, kind of. Let's go. Oh, what a lovely little place that was. We're gonna bring Sam back here for a little walk with him, and hopefully when it doesn't rain. It's a nice walk with Sam, the dog. Spyder, when we get it back home, we're gonna probably give it a wash because it's a bit wet through sprayed up and off the road and whatever. Fine to get a bit wet now and again. It's just, you know, that's a nice thing. It's just about getting out. You know, it's one of those things. It's always a risk of bad weather. I know many of you guys across the pond use your car Spyders for everyday commutes and your primary vehicle. Inkie's place has been there for probably years and years, and we've only just discovered it. And that's the lovely thing about having the Spyder. You join these groups and you do these ride outs and stuff, and you hear about all these things and that you wouldn't necessarily hear about just being a car driver. it's not too much further. It's a nice river on the right hand side, kind of following that along. Jamaica Inn, and it's got a little farm shop, and it's got like a little smuggler's bar and a gift shop. It's got plenty of parking. We're just gonna head on in. It's this I think you can stay here for 10 quid a night if you've got a motorhome. We've stayed here once before. Yeah, it's a lovely little place. And I think it's apparently haunted. Apparently. And there's some nice outdoor seating as well. Isn't that lovely? A lovely little place, isn't it? So you can stay here as well. There's little places where you can stay. Hope you enjoyed this little ride out. I'm just going to turn you around. I haven't got you on the tripod, so it's a bit awkward. so I think I'll wrap this video up here, guys. So we're going to stay here and head back. So we don't want to leave Sam for too much longer. No doubt he'll whine like a little bitch when we get back. As he does. Look, he's been left for like 6 months. It is quite funny. But anyway, thank you for joining us for this lovely ride out. I shall see you in the next video. It's hopefully going to be fitting the sway bar to the Spyder, so watch out for that one. That's going to be fun. Alright guys, take it easy. Bye for now.